t-shirt, that would have been great. Oh, I got that on camera.
Intercom failed.
Intercom failed. Intercom failed. Oh, I hear you.
There it is. Wait, what?
No.
That was me.
No, she was just
Sorry.
she was just talking right next to me, so you heard
I
her.
heard a laugh, but I thought it was Kira. I'm sorry.
Why is the red light flashing?
Intercom failed.
Goddamn Sena.
Oh, I know. It's connecting to your phone.
Yeah.
Go turn off your Bluetooth.
Well, that shouldn't matter.
It shouldn't, but... Are you two goofing off over there?
She was trying to grab me.
And you're grabbing her ass back, huh? Syl.
Yeah.
Go to pairing. Go to pairing mode.
On mine?
Yeah.
Bill?
Oh, mine went
Sorry,
beep,
how are you on?
Yeah, because you disconnected from the group. Hang on. Yeah, I see. Now you guys are connected. Okay, tap once. Now you're back.
You hear me?
Tap again.
Gonna get myself connected.
You hear Kira only.
Riding.
No, we can't hear you. No.
My mind's
Yeah.
tested.
Low battery.
Fall,
Joy.
so you might fall.
Yeah.